Hey everyone! In this session, I'll walk you through Drawboard PDF using our web application on a MacBook, but you can use any device with a web browser. I'll guide you step by step so you can start using it with confidence. Drawboard PDF bridges the gap between a powerful PDF editor and a flexible note-taking app. It works across web, Windows, iOS, macOS, and even has a companion app on Android. What makes it special is real-time sync across all those platforms. So whether you're jumping between devices or working live with teammates, everything stays seamless. If you deal with a lot of PDFs, take notes regularly, or just want your work to follow you wherever you go, then this app is for you. And if you're a student, don't forget to check out our student discount at drawboard.com/students. Web apps are everywhere now, and for good reason. They're fast to open, easy to access on any device, and always up to date. Sharing is effortless too. Just send a link and it opens right in the browser. That's exactly why we built pdf.drawboard.com, so you can get straight to work and collaborate without worrying about downloads or installs. We've designed the interface to be clean, simple, but still powerful. You can adjust the layout to suit how you work. The markup toolbar sits at the top, the utility bar at the bottom. You can dock them or let them float. The properties bar and favorites toolbar can sit anywhere you like. On the left, you'll see navigation menus, which can also be pinned or floated. The markup toolbar is your main set of annotation tools, and you can set it up however works best for you. And yes, Drawboard supports both light and dark mode. Before diving into the canvas, let's start with the home dashboard. This is where you'll manage and open your files. Here, you can switch between tile view or list view. If you've got lots of files, you can adjust the list density between large, medium, or compact. Tags are a powerful way to stay organized. They make it easy to search and filter so you can quickly find exactly what you need. Files can be stored locally using connected services like Google Drive or in Drawboard Cloud for real-time sync and collaboration. The location column shows you at a glance whether a file is local or in the cloud. Uploading to the cloud means you can open it on any device and even work live with others. We know not everyone wants to keep their PDFs in the cloud all the time, and that's totally okay. The web app also lets you work with files locally. Just remember, local files here are temporary since they live in your browser's memory. To avoid losing changes, be sure to save the file to your drive or move it into the Drawboard cloud. To open a PDF, just tap the Open button in the top right corner. You can grab a file straight from your device or one of your connected services. If you'd rather start fresh, choose blank document, notebook paper, or explore other templates for plenty of options. You can even set up your own custom template, perfect if you like starting with the same setup every time. From this same menu, you can also jump into the doc builder to merge, split, and more. I'll walk you through that shortly. And if you need extra tools, you'll find quick actions here too, from file compression to a wide range of conversions. When you open a document, you'll start with the pan tool. Next to it are selection tools, like the lasso select and text selection. The markup toolbar works in 3 steps. Pick a category, choose a tool, and adjust its properties. Categories include pens and highlighters, shapes, text tools, measurement tools, and insert options. The last icon is the Markup Library, which we'll get to very soon. In the first category, you'll find the pen and highlighter tools, each with quick access presets you can customize. If you're after more advanced pen options, check out Drawboard PDF on Windows or iPad. That's where you'll unlock the full set of pen properties. The eraser works across the board too, removing any annotation on the canvas, not just ink or highlights. Shapes let you create clean geometry. If you're in construction or design, use revision clouds to mark irregular areas. Text tools in Drawboard PDF include text boxes and callouts. When adding a text box, you can click once for a fixed width or click and drag to create a custom width. You can also drag the corner handles to resize the box, which automatically adjusts the text inside without having to change the font size manually. For text-based PDFs, highlighting, underlining, and strike through are simple and intuitive. The highlighter colors are designed differently from other annotations to give you a cleaner and more natural experience, and they sit behind the PDF content, just like pen on paper. And for designers and engineers, access measurement tools for conducting takeoff. Use the calibration tool to set a known distance for your page, then measure lengths or areas. Measurement values are tracked in the advanced annotation history. Finally, the insert menu gives you images, bookmarks, hyperlinks, and signatures, with more insert options on the way. This brings me to one of our most loved features. If you reuse the same markups often, you can just save them here in the Markup Library. Organize them with names and tags, and they'll sync across your profile. Whether you've got engineering symbols, classroom stickers, or just a set of favorite tools, everything is ready to go. You can even share libraries with colleagues or classmates. On the left side, you'll find your navigation menus, page thumbnails that can be dragged to rearrange, or you can insert or add blank pages. Bookmarks to easily navigate or edit bookmarks by reordering or adding new ones. Search. And annotation history, where you can filter by page, date, author, tool, or color. Toggle Advanced View for more detail. In the web app, you can save your document locally by hitting the Export button over here in the left menu. The utility bar at the bottom gives you quick access to page view and zoom, scroll direction, continuous or single page modes, overlays like grids or notepaper, and annotation visibility. You can also turn on snapping either to content for precise measurements or to annotations for easy alignment. In the Windows and web apps, we have a doc builder feature that makes splitting and merging documents simple. You can send documents to the doc builder or open them directly from within it. On the left, you'll see a list of your documents, and the tiles show page thumbnails, which you can rearrange as needed. Turn on the color toggle to make pages visually easier to distinguish. Near the top right, a mode switcher allows you to turn the doc builder into a space to merge, split, extract, rotate, or delete multiple documents at one time. The canvas menus are highly configurable, so explore and see what works best for you. You can show the markup toolbar, the favorites toolbar, or both from the bottom left. The markup toolbar can be set to a compact one-line view or an expanded two-line view with tools always centered. Live collaboration is where Drawboard really stands out. PDFs aren't static anymore. Just like Google Docs brought live editing to text, we're bringing it to PDFs. Instead of re-uploading big files, Drawboard PDF only syncs your incremental changes, so even huge drawings or textbooks update instantly. Open, create a document, or you can upload an existing one to the cloud. With options to keep it private, just for yourself, or share it for real-time collaboration with unlimited participants. Set permissions, reader, collaborator, or admin. Invite by link or email and instantly see who's in the file with you. If others are editing at the same time, you'll even see their live cursors. This already works on iOS, Mac, and web, and it's coming soon to Windows. And there you have it. That's Drawboard PDF on web. We'll keep creating short and sharp videos with tips and hidden features to help you get the most out of our app. Be sure to subscribe, follow us on socials, and check out the links in the description. Thanks so much for joining me. We can't wait to see what you create with Drawboard PDF.